Welcome to Encumbered Properties, the only platform dedicated to protecting you from property frauds and losses. Today's question is very simple. Would you knowingly risk buying a property or into an estate that you know that has no physical planning permit or approval? What are the consequences if you mistakenly buy into such a plot or into such a property? Recently, the Lagos State Physical Planning Permit Authority, LASPPPA, called on those interested in Lagos real estate investment to ensure that they obtain their physical planning permit before commencing any development or construction. A physical planning permit, otherwise called planning permit, is an official approval issued by a government planning authority. Example, LASPPPA in Lagos, HCDA in Abuja. It is that approval that allows an individual, a developer, or an organization to carry out a specific building or developmental project on a piece of land. Mind you, this is entirely different from building plan. They are two different things and they require two different approvals. A physical planning permit certifies that your proposed construction complies with urban planning and the regulation laws, zoning laws, building codes, environmental standards, and the area's master plan. Without physical planning permit, any construction is considered illegal, and the government has the right to stop, seal, or even demolish the development. The general manager of LASPPPA, Town Planner Kehinde Osinaika, emphasized that getting a physical planning permit is a requirement of law. In other words, it's sine qua non, it is compulsory. Physical planning permit ensures the following: that the right structures are built at the right locations. 2, that there is an alignment with the state's master plan for the area in question where you want to build or develop. But why does this matter to you as an investor or someone who is interested in Lagos real estate? Because properties built without planning permits carry severe risks for anyone who purchases that property. There is risk of demolition, less or no value for the said property, because no diligent buyer will purchase a property that doesn't have physical planning approval. And of course, no bank will accept such a property as a collateral for loan. In other words, such a property is not a bankable asset. Such a property is also deemed encumbered because of its unmarketability. And if you eventually sell to an unwary buyer, for instance, somebody who is not privileged to see this video, the buyer can recover his money back from you for frustration and illegality, and can as well go ahead and file a criminal charge against you for misrepresentation and fraud. Generally, physical planning ensures compliance with zoning laws, protects property's value, and supports organized urban development. But here is the takeaway for you. You want to buy into any estate, you want to buy any property, one of the things you must request from the developer or the agent marketing to you, amongst other documents, is to produce to you the approval or the permit for the physical planning. Physical planning permit is sine qua non, is necessary. At Encumbered Properties, we list and expose properties with legal issues, including those without proper planning approvals. So you can visit the website for your searches. And if the property or the estate you want to verify is not already captured on our website, our due diligence unit is handy to help you make all the necessary searches. All you need to do is to send us DM right now. Don't fall victim or watch others fall victim. In other words, share this video so that others can learn. They say knowledge is what? Power. At encumberedproperties.com, the safety of your real estate investment is our priority. Thank you. I remain Madweke Enwere. I'm a property lawyer, a chief superintendent of police with the Nigeria Police, and by God's grace, the founder, Encumberedproperties.com.